The HyperX Alloy FPS has all the basic features that one needs for typing and gaming. Backlighting is bright and different modes and brightness levels are present as well. You get to switch between 6-key rollover and full N-key rollover with 100% anti-ghosting. A USB port is present on the keyboard to charge your mobile devices. Do note, you will not be able to transfer data through this port. The most interesting feature about this keyboard is its portability. The keyboard can be detached and stuffed inside a spongy meshed pouch, which is included along with the keyboard. After the TVS Gold keyboard, the HyperX Alloy FPS became the second most affordable keyboard with genuine Cherry MX switches. The keyboard supports 3 Cherry MX variants: red, brown and blue. In India, only the Cherry MX Blue variant is listed for now, and we believe that the other variants might pop up based on the demand. There is not much to complain about the keyboard except the quality of the keycap stems. Poor molding resulted in few keys getting stuck midway, but over the time the edges will anyway grind away and smoothen out. If you are looking forward to buy a mechanical keyboard for gaming and prefer genuine Cherry MX Blue switches, then you should definitely consider this. Thank you for tuning in to Digit, and for more videos, subscribe to our channel.